guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OJ. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make your ponytail wig. So today I'll be using my afro hair. So I'll be using this afro that I got from Amazon. It's an afro kinky bundle, so I bought just one bundle because I just needed one, to be honest. So I bought one pack of it, that is one bundle of the hair. So here is the hair. So this is 18 inches of the kinky hair. So I want to make an afro ponytail so that I can use it with my hair to the back, if that makes sense. So this is the hair that I'll be using for this particular wig cap. So this is the ponytail wig cap, and it has like an elastic band right here, so you can, you know, something like this, and then you can release it. So I'll be needing my T-pin to hold this down. As you can see, the T-pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I used it to hold the wig cap down, and then I'll be needing my needle and then my thread to sew it in, and of course I'll be needing my hair bundle. So that is what we'll be using in this video. So I'm going to start sewing in. I feel like this video will not be long because it's not too much. Let's get right into this video. And yeah, let me advertise myself a little bit. So you guys should please subscribe to this channel, click the notification button just to get notified anytime I post. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. My name is OJ. I am glad that you stumbled into my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome, and I am grateful. Thank you so much for coming back. It means that you are following, and I am so grateful for that. So please comment, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below what you want to see, what you want me to, you know, do on this channel, the kind of videos you want to see, because like I said, this video is mainly, this page or this channel is mainly for hair and makeup. So you're going to be seeing makeup here and there, and hair tutorial here and there, wig tutorials and all of that. So if you are really interested, please share this channel to your friends. Let them also watch and learn. And yeah, I think I have advertised myself enough. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video, and then we'll be needing a scissors. I didn't say that, so that's a bonus right there. So yep. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to measure round with it. So in this type of wig doesn't require you getting a person's head and then trying to, you know, measure their head and all of that. This is just a straight up wig making. It does not require all of those ceremony, if that makes sense. So here is the hair, and now I am going to measure round. So I am talking about something like this. So you have to go round. Okay. Yep, something like this. Now I'll be taking my needle and then my thread.
Say you're leaving town, down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
Okay, so you can see that I am done with the round sewing. So this is the first round sewing, so I'm going to do another round sewing before we now start sectioning it into like the way I want it to look like. If that makes sense. I don't know why I keep on saying that, but I feel like this thing is making sense to only me. But
There's only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you, 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 you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you, 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 you. Here's to new beginnings and a better life. Here's to dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Would prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving, you must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many
So I think I have explained this a couple of times in my videos, because I feel like I have done a lot of wig making videos. So this is the metal comb that I always use on all of my ponytail wig. So I always make sure that I put it on the top side, the two sides, and then down. I feel like you're going to see how I'm going to do it. I mean, I have like a lot of videos where I did this. So yeah, just like that, the top, the two sides, and then the down part. So I mean, I feel like it is really self-explanatory, and if you want to understand it better, I feel like you should check some of my videos that I have uploaded. You can also see how I usually do it, or a full video of how I always sew it in. So basically what it does is to just hold your hair when you use your ponytail on your hair. So it's going to not make it come out, if that makes sense. So it's just going to hold on to your hair, and that way you'll be able to stay there for a very long time. So that's basically why we use this.
Right without you, no, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah, come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight. Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body.